Welcome back to EhtasCars. Today, we're diving into the latest and greatest from Toyota, the 2025 Toyota Crown. Stick around because you won't want to miss what's new for this year's lineup. First up, let's talk about what's new for 2025. The Crown lineup now features a dark and mysterious Nightshade trim. Gone are the chrome accents, replaced with sleek black details that give this car an edgy look. Available in Storm Cloud and Black, this trim is perfect for those who want to make a statement. Inside, the Nightshade doesn't disappoint. Black leather seats, heated and ventilated, come standard. And yes, your hands will thank you for that heated steering wheel. This trim truly combines luxury with a touch of dark elegance. For those eyeing the top-spec Platinum model, there's even more to love. It now comes with a head-up display, keeping all your important info right in your line of sight. Luxury and convenience. What more could you ask for? Now, let's talk numbers. The 2025 Toyota Crown starts at $42,535, with prices going up to $56,085, depending on the trim and options. So, whether you're going for the base model or the fully loaded Platinum, there's a Crown for every budget. Under the hood, all Crown models feature a hybrid powertrain. But here's where it gets interesting. The Platinum model boasts Toyota's Hybrid Max setup, combining a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder with an electric motor on the rear axle for a whopping 340 horsepower. Curious about performance? The base powertrain will get you from 0 to 60 mph in a respectable 7.2 seconds. But if speed is your thing, the Platinum model rockets to 60 mph in just 5.1 seconds. That's some serious power for a hybrid. Don't expect to carve corners like a sports car, though. The Crown suspension is tuned for a smooth, relaxing ride. However, the Platinum's adaptive dampers add a touch of fun, making it the perfect blend of comfort and agility. So, there you have it, the 2025 Toyota Crown, bringing together luxury, performance, and cutting-edge hybrid technology. Which trim would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews and car news from EhtasCars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.